How to use advanced feature in Pinterest. You can use Pinterest's advanced feature by tuning your recommendation and refine your recommendation. You could also creating and optimizing content with features like rich pins and high quality visuals and using a business account for advanced tool as well. So basically what you could do is to use an advanced feature. You could open the Pinterest app on your device, after which you simply want to make sure to update the app to the latest version as well. So what here you could do is you could use your camera or select a section of an existing pin to find visually similar images, ideas, and shoppable product as well. So for that, you could tap on the search bar and there you have this camera icon at the top right. Click on the camera button and then you could also upload the image, and here it is. You could go ahead and look for these similar content. So likewise, you could go ahead and look for the similar content. So as you could see, these are some of the options available. So you could go ahead and explore these, and this way you could use advanced feature in Pinterest. Next, when you search for a general idea or a guide, you could also suggested keywords appear below the search bar to help you narrow your result. You could tap on the guide, adds the terms to your search, and allowing you to refine your search effectively as well. Next, you could refine home feed a recommendation, that is, take a greater control over what happens or what appears on your home feed by managing your interest and activity in your settings. Under refine your recommendation, you can add or remove topic as well. So this way you should be able to use advanced feature in Pinterest. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.